Hi guys, we are making that delicious anambra bitter leaf ofe onugbu. Yes, you have seen the process how we are washing our bitter leaf, and mind you, the way other people are washing the bitter leaf and anambra is not the same. Anambra one is very special and different. You understand? If you watch eating anambra bitter leaf soup, is like at times it's like long, not at times it's long. But other states always after washing the bitter leaf, their own will scatter. There is simple remedy they are using to do this particular thing. Okay, when you bring your bitter leaf, sun dry it. Don't not sun dry. Put it on the sun for like 2 hours or 3 hours. Do you understand? Then you wash it. Before washing it, you can also do well to parboil it if you want to. Don't want to wash it for a long time. Well, that's sort of another day. Now you have seen the protein we are using: cow head and pomo in cow skin, aka kanda, and some dry fish. Then we do well to spice with our onions, our salt, our seasoning cube, our pepper. Nothing much. Then we cook for 15 minutes to enable the protein to soften. All right. Now this is our ede, cocoyam. Yes. Yeah. To get this cocoyam ready, you will wash it. After washing it, cook it. After cooking it, pan when it's hot. All right. And do what check the description box. You will see other videos you will find helpful. Trust me, you will like it. Now we are cooking it. Now let's check. When you press it to check if it's ready. If it's ready, the back will peel off by itself when you press it. All right. Yes. Now we'll bring them out. If you have blender, electric blender, you can use electric blender, but I'm using mortar to do my own. All right. Then we pound. Then we'll check our pot to see the condition. Yes, now the protein is ready. After 15 minutes, we go in with our pounded cocoyam. Then you can do what? Add a little water again. Then go in with your crayfish. This is called Ogiri. Ogiri C. Then add the seasoning cube. Remember, I use seasoning cube already to parboil the meat and other things. Then I go in with my red oil. After putting your cocoyam, that's when I'm adding all these things. That will cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, this is the result. Then when you open your pot, and if you find out that some of the cocoyam did not melt very well, you can remove them. All right. And if you check your soup, if your soup is too thick, you can do it to add water. And remember, when this soup is hot, it will be watery, but when it's cold, the more thickened it becomes. All right, I add my black pepper. Then I see the thickness. I add more water. I don't want it to be too thick, so depend the way you want it. Now I close and cook again for 3 to 5 minutes. I open it. Trust me, after following this method to make your soup, it's gonna be something. Now we are adding our bitter leaf. Please, if you watch this video to this extent, do well to give me a thumb like to help this platform to suggest video to other people. All right, and do well to share to reach other people too, and drop your comment if you did not understand any of the parts here. I'll be willing to receive your comment. What do you think about this video? Our food is getting ready. Then we cover and cook for 5 minutes. Open. What do you think about this? Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. Alright? Serve hot.